All right, so we are given a sub 1. A sub 1 is 640. We're also given a sub 5, right? So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're given the fifth term here. And we know that geometric sequences take this form. A sub n is equal to a sub 1, the first term in the sequence, times the common ratio r raised to the n minus 1, where that's all in the exponent. Right? And so from there, we know what a sub 1 is. We don't know r, but we also know the fifth term, right? We know that 2.5 is a sub 5, so we can use that to our advantage as well. And here's how. So I'm going to go figure out, I'm going to plug in what I know. I know a sub 5, and a sub 1 is 640, so I can plug that in. Times r, I don't know that. But then n minus 1, well, if I'm picking a sub 5, then what does n have to be? Yeah, it's got to be 5, right? So 5 minus 1. So now I'm close to being able to solve for r. I also know that a sub 5, that term, the fifth term, is 2.5. So I can plug that in as well. So I get 2.5 is equal to 640 times r to the fourth. I've got my answer keys out. All right, so I'm going to divide both sides by 640. I get 1 here. All right, then I'm going to take 2.5 divided by 640, so that's 2.5 divided by 640. Turn that into a fraction, so that's 1 over 256. So I get 1 over 256. That's equal to r to the fourth. And then to get r by itself, I'm going to take the fourth root of both sides. So in Desmos, what you're going to do is hit the, clear that out. I want the fourth root, so I'll hit functions, and that will bring up, functions will bring up this screen. I'll go to miscellaneous, nth root, and they'll say, which root do you want to take? I want to take the fourth root, and then you're going to put in the numbers. So 1 divided by 256. I get 0.25, which as a fraction is a fourth. So there's our common ratio. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. If we were asked to find the rule, I would have the rule, right? It would just be a sub n is equal to 640 times 1/4 to the n minus 1. Wasn't really asked for that. I don't necessarily need the rule because what I really want is these terms right here. So I know I'm going to find those by multiplying by a fourth, by a fourth, by a fourth, and so on. So 640 times a fourth, $160, and then 160 times a fourth is 40. 40 times a fourth is 10, and then a fourth of 10 is 2.5, so it works out. Okay.